Good morning from Tuscany. Last night was so fun.
Thank you, Jen, for having your birthday in Tuscany. That's all I have to say. It was so much fun. But today is our last day in the Tuscany region.
Yeah, and today we're gonna do olive oil tasting. And hopefully olive tasting as well. I really like olive tasting.
Oh god, I don't like olives at all.
Oh, you don't have to taste them. I'm gonna taste them.
Were olives invented in Italy?
Invented? It's a plant. You don't have to love olives. It's fine. I can eat them.
Perfect. Let's go try some olive oil. Check it out.
Father started, they use this as a basement to crush the olives, and we make the table with this one.
Yeah.
2,800 spin per minute.
Wow.
So they smash the olives.
So the olives go through here.
Yeah, they go, because this is closed. Because
Yeah.
in here, they smash it.
They smash it.
And from this hole comes down a pulp, a paste.
Yeah. So in 100 years, this is gonna be the new table. Can we still outside?
We're drinking olive oil.
Very intense. It's not like
Jen, did you put salt in yours? I didn't. I wanted just to taste the oil. It's really nice.
this is a good salad.
Okay. This is good.
Well, the nicer the oil.
Try it. Did you try it?
Yeah.
Nope. Ooh, smells good.
I got two taste packs. Oh, you can drink two. I can try it.
Super floral.
You feeling it?
I'm feeling it. This one with salt?
This one's with salt.
This one?
Yes. It's better with salt.
I love salt.
It's really nice olive oil. I'm gonna buy olive.
We can get some of that.
What you got there?
A little bit of honey, a little bit of oil. A little bit of honey, a little bit of oil. And what we got is 2 of these. No, actually 3 of these. And they're gonna be Christmas presents. So if you're watching and you get this, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Now you know.
Okay.
One of this is for us. This is not for Christmas present. 2 soaps. Smell amazing. I'm guessing it's made from olive oil. And then I really packed it in. A jar of honey. We have like 6 at home, but I just love honey.
Chloe, Julia, Mom and Dad, Jackson, and Emily. Hope you're not watching this because that will be part of your Christmas present or wedding present. We'll see. In the back. Victor taught me this trick about lemon trees. Scratch it. Oh my god. Let's get a lemon tree. It smells so good. There's a cat behind you. Oh. The owner of this olive farm is calling local restaurants to see if we can get lunch. She's the cutest. The first 2 places where it wouldn't take us. The reason the owner could call the restaurants is because she knows them because their oil is here.
Yeah.
For lunch, we got a truffle and parmesan gnocchi. They're massive.
That's lovely.
Oh no. It's so good. And it's so creamy. I'm like, I can't move it.
Oh. I got no words. It is so good.
Didn't like it one bit. Back to the grocery store. Steve does not fit in it. I actually thought you might be able to. What are we thinking, Vicky?
A spread of things. Should we maybe get strawberries and whipped cream and like that kind of thing?
Heck yes. I love being married to a chef. He always knows the best things to get. Check it out. These are cool.
Sorry.
I don't know if I'm just really American or if I've never seen how onions are, but I've never seen onions come like this. I didn't even really think that they came like this. It makes sense. I don't know anything about food.
For dinner we had an Italian girl dinner. Ham, cheeses, grilled sausages, grilled pork, bell peppers, aubergine. We got some focaccia, we got some breads, a lot of olive oil, lemons picked from the tree today, mozzarella, tomatoes. I made dessert with blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, apricots. Yeah, whipped up mascarpone and heavy cream, a little bit of honey, and just mixed it all together. It was like super nice, like light dessert.
Yay! Woo!
Obviously, my highs are like being with you guys and everything. Everybody said that. But I'm gonna say the pool day yesterday. I love the pool day yesterday. Painting and drinking, that was such a fun thing.
I also love the pool day.
Yeah. Just not as much as me. My high was definitely that. Then low, I would say that I got burnt on my after the full day. And Buffalo is how cold it was in the house. I was kind of surprised. And there was like no way around like fixing it. This is like more blankets. That's it. Like there's nothing like nothing you can do. Which is cold. It's just cold.
My high was coming on a trip that I didn't plan anything at all. Jen, you took care of everything, and Oscar, like, I didn't think or stress about a second of it, and I loved that. And all those little cute things you brought for everyone, like, you're so thoughtful, and yeah, that was just, it's nice. We do a lot of trip planning and stuff, so it was really nice to not do anything. I don't always need to be like hiking and stuff, so. And I would say my low is just my own irresponsibility-ness, not finishing my work before, and I still haven't finished it now, and it's like lingering in my head. I don't have that many lows. But my unexpected is also how great this was. I did not know what to expect. I didn't expect anything. I was just like, let's just go see how it's gonna be, and you guys are all awesome, and that's just more to Jen. You attract great people, and you know, we're all like, I say this, but I don't think I could like get a bunch of people to come for my birthday somewhere. I had to like, you know, get married for people to come visit. And yeah, this is just so, yeah, you guys are all great. One of Jen's friends bought it on Facebook.